Good morning, everyone. Today, May 4th, we are going to cover connecting limits and graphical behavior. So, we are going to study the behavior of the function at exact point. Like, if you see the question in front of you, we have limit g of x. If you look here, limit g of x when x approach 1 from right hand side equals 0. Okay, so he gave you here the limit of the function itself when x approach 1 from positive side equals 0. Which function represents this limit? So if you look to approach 1, if you look to this function, approach 1 from negative, from positive, so the value of the function equal 1, not 0. Yes? What about b? 1 from right. Look, 1 from right. Your function going to 1 from right. Look, so it's going to what? Stop here. Yes, 0. So your answer here is correct. Going to 1 from right. Okay, let's it like this. So here it's approach 1 from, so approach what? 0? Yes, so this is the correct answer. C, if you check C, it's approach 1. It's approach 1. X approach 1 from right hand side here. So it's a stop at what? -1. So this is not correct also. Okay, what about the next question? We have a function given in the graph, and he asks you which limit expressions agree with the graph. Choose the answer that apply. So we have to check. We have a lot of choices here, and we have to check which one is correct. So at x tend to -4, at x tend to -4, what he give us? It's unbounded. It means going to infinity or negative infinity. So at x approach -4. At x approach -4. Yes, if you check here, yes, it's going to infinity, and from right going to what? From left and right going to what? Yes, so it's unbounded here because it's tend to negative infinity from both sides. What about limit of the function x tend to -4? uh, It's equal -6 when h tend to -4? No, it's not equal -6. We got it. This one is wrong. Okay. What about the second one? We got the value of a limit of x tend to -4 from left. It's going to negative infinity. Limit x tend to 4 from what? From right. From left, sorry. So it x tend to 4 from left. Stop at, yes. Stop at what? Yes, 3. That one is correct also. So if we have A and C, so none of the above is not selected. So this is our answer. Okay, let's try the next. We have a graph of A, B, and C. Which limit will agree with the graph? Okay, so which one is correct? We have limit x tend to -1 from left. X tend to -1 from left. So it's going to what? 2 here. So it's 2. This answer is 2. Oh yes, and he give us here 2, so this is one is correct. This is the correct one. Let's try the other ones. We have x tend to -1 from left. X tend to -1 from left. This is correct also. It's approximately 2. X tend to negative 1 from left, so this is correct. X tend to negative 1, if you choose this one, X tend to negative 1 from left, so it's going to what? Negative 1. This is not correct. So we have two choices correct, okay? Next question. Consider the graph of the function h of x. Which limit expression agree with the graph? So we have limit of x tend to negative 4. So it means you have to check from left and right, and both must be the same, and both must be equal what? Negative 2. Let's try. X tend to negative 4 from left is going to, yes, negative 2. And x tend to negative 4 from left, it's going to negative 6. So it's a negative 2 and negative 6. So the limit doesn't exist. But here, this is not correct. Limit x tend to 0 from positive side. X tend to 0 from positive side. So it's going to, yes, 2. X tend to 0. It means x approaches 0 from left. So the graph is here going to 0. So it's 0 and 2. The answer is 2 is correct. X tend to 4 from negative side. X tend to 4 from negative side. This is going to 4 from negative side. So it's equal 4. Is it correct here? No. So your answer is what? Is B. Okay. Now you have don't forget to do your work, your homework on Khan Academy. Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.